On page 14, you're going to complete these 4 problems, problems 1 through 4. You're going to be calculating the interest in each problem using the formula I equals P times R times T. And then you'll be adding the principal plus the interest to get the amount repaid. We're going to complete problem 3 together, and then you will complete problems 1, 2, and 4 on your own. Let's take a closer look at problem 3. Please record all this information in your notebook. It states, what is the total amount to be repaid on a $9,000 loan, there's your principal, with a simple interest rate of 3.2, that's our rate, for 5 years, that's our time. So off to the side, let's identify P, our principal, at $9,000, R, our rate, at 3.2, but remember, we need to convert it to a decimal, 0.032, and we'll use that in the formula, and time, given in years, which in this case is 5 years. Step 1, identify the major components of the problem. Now, let's go to our formula. Interest equals principal times rate times time. In this problem, our principal is $9,000, our rate 0.032, and our time 5 years. Take a moment and multiply. Punch this into your calculator and see how many dollars in interest we have to pay back to the bank. The interest fee on this particular loan, once you multiply, is $1,440. That's the fee that the bank charges. Now, final step. Step 3. You have to pay back to the bank everything that you borrowed, that $9,000 known as your principal, plus you have to add on the fee that the bank is charging you, known as interest. Altogether, we owe $10,440. That is the amount repaid on the loan. You're going to complete the other problems on this page using this process. Step 1, define the important variables. Step 2, use the interest formula to calculate the interest fee. And step 3, add the principal and the interest together to see how much you must repay to the bank. Now it's your turn to complete problems 1, 2, and 4. Pause your video so you can copy the information into your notes. This concludes page 14. When you're completely done, check your work against the answer key.